guys, it's Chris, GearNoir at theshavingcadre.com. Today is the day. After a long journey, it has arrived. It smells like cardboard. This is the TSC second anniversary. I think they call it a grab bag this time around. But anyway, happy 2 years, TSC. It's been an awesome 2 years. Looking forward to the third already. We're off to a great start with the coronavirus, aren't we? Anyway, this went on a quite a trip. It made it all the way over to the East Coast. Got sent out from Utah, from Chad. Made it all the way over to the East Coast. Did it actually make it to New York or something? I think it did. Can't remember the exact route. And then all of a sudden it showed up in Sacramento, California. So here we are. I just got delivered like less than an hour ago. First thing out of the box. What do we got here? Ooh, fancy. Kind of hard to see it, but you can maybe see the logo there. Nice little TSC drink tumbler. Very cool. I have yet to have any official TSC swag, so here's my first piece. I like the black. It probably looks a lot better than it would have done with a bold white. I like that kind of look. Very cool. A fancy kind of holographic TSC sticker there. Oh, very cool. What else do we got here? All right. Here it is. This year's brush. Last year we did a brush that I love by one of our hobbyists, Eric Sorrentino. Custom-made wood brush this year. We did something a little different. Synthetic, which I like. The spider head brush. No, it's not really called that, but it's got the TSC logo there. It's a nice kind of like, hard to describe. It's got like a matte finish on the outside, but just underneath that finish, there's like this little sparkly blue, swirly black kind of thing going on. It looks pretty cool. It's kind of hard to capture in the light there, but it's pretty cool. Synthetic head brush. Not sure where it's from. It'll be interesting to try that out. Definitely smells brand new synthetic. I will definitely give this a try. Love synthetic brushes. We've got, oh, here it is, the new CBL soaps, just exclusively made for this box. Second anniversary limited edition Green Valley Lynx. Kind of hard to smell through the paper, but I guess this is based off of a, is this the Creed or Tom Ford something? Anyway, can't go wrong with CBL. And this is the Master Barber, Chris's newest base from CBL Tonsorial, which is an excellent base. I mean, a Tonsorial anyway. Haven't tried Master Barber yet. This is Steel Gray Fougere from CBL. What else do we got? Oh, we've got the Shaving Cadre can opener, beer can thing. I'm not much of a beer guy, but I like keychains. That'll work. TSC pin for your shirt, jacket, or other accoutrement. And now, let's see. Here is Shaving Cadre limited edition Barber Shop by Lisa's Natural Herbal Creations. Oh, that smells good. This also has a bit of a shiny background look to it. Very cool. Can't place that, but nice and fresh scent. It also comes with a matching, should be this one. It feels like Christmas. Yes, I have not tried any of these before. Lisa's Post-Shave Elixirs. This is the matching barbershop scent. I hear really good stuff about this. Excited to try it. May give it a try tomorrow, along with the new brush. And then here we got special from Sterling, Hipster. I guess it's pretty appropriate seeing as how I live in California. That joke's been made already. Oh, that is a different looking top there. Ultra fresh. Citrus. Soapy. Smells good. And it comes with a matching aftershave splash. Very nice. I like my alcohol splashes. Won't open that up just yet. And the final item are duff bag. These looked pretty nice in the video, and yeah, this is actually really nice. Nice inside. It's got nice lining in there. A little bit of a leather accent around the edges. Nice handle. Pull zipper. Very cool. Very nice. Kind of a canvasy outside. Thanks, Chad, for doing this all during this weird coronavirus thing. Sacrificing family time and even making your wife help you. Maybe your kids too, who knows? I wouldn't have minded having mine packed by your children either. But very cool. Happy 2nd anniversary, TSC. We'll catch you all on the pages, www.theshavingcadre.com. Anxious to get to try some of this stuff over the coming week. Have a good one. Bye.